Welcome back to the Nap Lab. Today we are reviewing the Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion Hybrid, a 12-inch latex hybrid mattress that uses an organic cotton cover, Talalay latex comfort layer, and a combination of pocketed coils and a support foam in its support layer. The Latex Mattress Factory website describes the latex as hypoallergenic and an indulgence. In addition, it uses a pocketed coil unit and a perimeter edge support system that improves edge support. All this is priced at just under $1,000 at the time of recording this video. Latex hybrids typically run around $1,600, at least based on the models we've tested to date. So is this the budget-friendly option we've been waiting for? Let's jump into the review and find out. So while the price sounds good, let's take a look at its performance. Right off the bat, we see good to great scores in just about every category. Response time and off-gassing scored a 10 out of 10. Cooling, edge support, and pressure relief all scored in the low 9s. Motion transfer and sex both scored within the 8 range, while the lowest scoring category belonged to company with a 7.9. This gave the Luxerion Hybrid an overall performance score of 8.89. For reference, this is higher than the average performance score of 8.57 based on the 260 plus mattresses we've tested to date. As for Latex Hybrid specifically, it's just about average in terms of performance. Next up, let's talk firmness. This Latex Hybrid is available in a single firmness option, 6 out of 10 where 10 is the most firm. This gives it a medium firm feel. Next, we're going to talk through what the Luxerion Hybrid does best. First, the mattress has a super fast material response. This is pretty standard for many mattresses that use latex, and Luxerion uses more latex than most. Second, I found pressure relief to be excellent. I would recommend it for nearly all body weights and sleeping positions. Third, this is a somewhat rare price for a latex hybrid, being that it's nearly $600 less than the average price for this type of a mattress. However, all mattresses aren't ideal for all sleepers. Let's talk through the important consideration points for the Luxerion Hybrid. First, returning the mattress is not free. You have the option to return the entire mattress for $99 or swap out the top layer of latex for $45 within its 100-night trial period. Second, motion transfer is just a bit higher than average, but not by much. So while most sleepers should be fine, more sensitive sleepers may experience some disturbances to their sleep. Your body weight and sleep position impact the types of mattress that are best able to support you. Our analysis is designed to help match the correct mattress to the right body types and sleeping positions. The Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion has excellent support. During our test, I felt well supported in all sleeping positions. For a mattress to create proper support, it needs to keep the spine in alignment and create sufficient comfort. With a 4.5-inch comfort layer, this is plenty of material to create proper comfort and pressure relief. As far as support layers go, we have a 6.5-inch pocketed coil unit that sits atop a 1-inch support foam on the base of the mattress. This gives us 7.5 inches of support materials. Based on all of our tests to date, the average support layer is 7.9 inches. As a result, the Luxerion is a bit south of average. Even so, given the moderate sinkage, balanced body contouring hug, and medium firm feel, the mattress still created plenty of support. I expect most sleepers will find support to be perfectly sufficient. Be sure to visit us over at naplab.com/mattress-quiz. There, you can submit your needs and preferences, and we'll send you back a personalized recommendation based on your inputs. Next up, we're going to move on to our individual performance tests. At NapLab, we test each mattress by analyzing according to 10 different factors that impact the feel, comfort, and performance. First up, we have a cooling test. To measure cooling, we lie on the mattress for 15 minutes, allowing it to absorb body heat. Then, we get off the mattress and take periodic measurements of the surface level temperature. Our tests show how the mattress retains and releases heat and overall cooling performance. Mattresses that breathe better, retain less heat, and sleep cooler are better as they allow sleepers to maintain a comfortable temperature. The Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion Hybrid has excellent cooling. During our tests, I did not feel any significant level of heat retention around my body. The mattress is a proven latex hybrid design that resists heat retention and breathes well. The comfort layer is a single 3-inch natural latex Talalay layer, and the cover is 1.5 inches of quilted cotton. Both of these materials naturally resist heat. The support layer for the mattress is 6.5-inch pocketed coil unit with a 1-inch support foam base. The coil unit helps to bring plenty of airflow into the mattress. In our objective temperature test, we measured a max surface level temperature of 89.8 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 0.1 degrees warmer than the average of 89.7 degrees based on all of our tests to date. When we consider the complete picture of objective data, subjective experience, and material analysis, I'm confident most sleepers will find cooling performance to be more than sufficient. For the sinkage test, we lie on the mattress. In addition, we use a 12-pound medicine ball to test pressure point sinkage. Deeper sinkage can cause sleepers to feel overly enveloped by the material layers, while less sinkage can make you feel like you're sleeping more on top of the mattress as opposed to in it. Sinkage is a preferential factor. Some prefer more, others less. The Luxerion Hybrid has a moderate level of sinkage. During our test, we measured 2.08 inches of pressure point sinkage. This is 0.06 inches less sinkage than the average of 2.14 inches based on all of our tests to date. The mattress creates a more generalized body contouring hug. This is in contrast to many memory and polyfoam mattresses that create a more exacting and dramatic hug around the body. Despite the more generalized contour around the body and moderate sinkage, the mattress still creates a balanced feel and good pressure relief. Some latex hybrids tend to float the body more on the mattress as opposed to letting the body sink down in the mattress. The Luxerion creates enough sinkage that your body still feels like you're lying in the mattress instead of on the mattress. To test motion transfer, we place one 12-pound medicine ball on one side of the mattress and drop another 12-pound medicine ball on the opposite side. In addition, we use an accelerometer to objectively measure the motion generated by the medicine ball drop. Lower motion transfer is better as it helps sleeping partners avoid disturbing each other during the night. The Luxerion Hybrid has a low level of motion transfer. During our test, we measured a total acceleration range of 9.36 meters per second squared. This is 6% more motion transfer than the average of 8.79 meters per second squared based on all of our tests to date. Typically, latex hybrids really struggle with motion, as both latex and coil units individually create higher motion. However, the mattress did a great job of resisting motion. In my view, the 1.5-inch quilted cotton cover, quilted pattern design onset cover, and the foundational support foam on the base of the mattress are all helping to keep motion in check. The quilted cover and quilted pattern better disperse motion across a wider surface area, while the support foam on the base provides a more stable foundation. In our motion transfer chart, which visualizes our accelerometer data, we can see the highest motion peaks from 0 to 0.22 seconds. We see a smaller secondary spike from 0.50 to 0.80 seconds, and by 1.15 seconds, we've returned to near zero levels of energy. Suffice to say, the motion duration is far from ideal at 1.15 seconds. While it is a fairly low level of motion after the initial spike, it is still something. To test response time, we place a 12-pound medicine ball on the mattress. Once it's fully at rest, we then quickly remove it and objectively measure the amount of time it takes for the mattress to recover and resume its original shape. A faster response time is better, as quicker responding material layers better adapt to your changes in movement and prevent any type of a stuck feeling. The Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion Hybrid has an extremely fast material response time. During our most recovered test, we measured a recovery speed of 0.2 seconds. This is 0.2 seconds faster than the average of 0.4 seconds based on all of our tests to date. During our fully recovered test, we measured a recovery speed of 0.3 seconds, which is 0.6 seconds faster than the average of 0.9 seconds. At these responsiveness speeds, the material recovery rate is effectively instant. The Luxerion is tied for first with a number of other mattresses as the fastest responsiveness mattress we've tested to date. Suffice to say, it's an easy mattress to move around on, and you'll never feel stuck in its latex foam comfort layer. To run the bounce test, we drop a 12-pound medicine ball onto the mattress. We measure the maximum depth the ball sinks to before rebounding up, as well as the maximum height it achieved on the bounce. Bounce is a preferential factor. Some prefer more, others less. However, more bounce is typically better than less, as it improves ease of movement, aids in response time, and improves sex performance. The Luxerion Hybrid has a moderate level of bounce. During our test, we measured a total bounce height of 9.96 inches. This is 0.36 inches more bounce than the average of 9.60 inches based on all of our tests to date. The higher than average bounce level can be attributed to the material construction. Both latex and pocketed coils individually create more bounce, so we can expect them both to create plenty of bounce together. Even so, this is not a crazy high or unreasonable level of bounce. Ideally, I like to see 8 to 12 inches of total bounce height, and the Luxerion Hybrid is right in the middle of my preferred range. At 9.96 inches of bounce, we have enough to facilitate sex performance and ease of movement, while not being so high as to create a trampoline feel or excess motion transfer. I expect most sleepers will find this level of bounce to be perfectly sufficient. For an assessment of edge support, I lie on and sit on the edge of the mattress to measure the level of support and compression. Less sinkage while sitting and lying directly on the edge of the mattress is better, as it creates a more supportive edge for sleeping, lounging, and amorous activities. The Luxerion Hybrid has excellent edge support for both sitting and lying. In our sitting edge support test, we measured a sitting sinkage compression of 3.75 inches. This is 0.27 inches less sitting compression than the average of 4.02 inches based on all of our tests to date. Even while sitting directly on the edge, I felt well supported and there was no collapse of materials. Lying edge support is equally impressive. While lying directly on the edge of the mattress, I felt well supported in all sleeping positions. The Luxerion Hybrid uses 2 rows of reinforced perimeter edge support coils. These coils, in combination with a high-quality latex, pocketed coil unit, and support-based foam, are all helping to deliver robust edge support. Overall, I'm pleased with the level of edge support, and I expect most will find it satisfactory. Our sex test uses a weighted formula to assess sex performance. Higher bounce and more supportive edge are the most important factors, with noise, pressure relief, and cooling being lesser weighted inputs. Mattresses with more bounce and better edge support perform better for sex, as do mattresses that don't make as much noise and are more comfortable to lie on. The Luxerion Hybrid has good sex performance, but doesn't quite rise to the excellent or outstanding levels. When we look at the critical factors that help create great amorous activity on a mattress, everything on the Luxerion Hybrid earned good, excellent, or outstanding scores. Noise is outstanding, as there is virtually no noise created by the mattress. Edge support, cooling, and pressure relief all earned excellent scores. With just 3.75 inches of sitting edge compression, the mattress is still able to maintain a robust edge for the dance without pants. Last and most importantly, we have bounce, which earned a good score due to its 9.96 inches of total bounce height. These factors combined give the Luxerion Hybrid a solid score that just narrowly missed out on earning the excellent tier of sex performance. Our pressure relief test is a measure of overall pressure relief performance. We analyze materials, layers, thicknesses, density, and design elements in conjunction with a subjective assessment of our experience while lying on the mattress. Mattresses with better pressure relief are able to create a more comfortable sleeping surface. The Latex Mattress Factory Luxerion Hybrid has excellent pressure relief. During our test, I felt no significant level of pressure points on my body. The mattress is equipped with a 3-inch natural Talalay latex comfort layer. In addition, the mattress is topped with a 1.5-inch quilted organic cotton cover. This gives the mattress a total 4.5-inch comfort layer, which is just a bit over the average 4.1-inch average comfort layer thickness based on all of our tests to date. I am exceedingly impressed with the quality of this latex. To see a 3-inch latex comfort layer at under $1,000 for a queen is incredibly rare, but to see this level of build and material quality is practically unheard of. In our objective pressure mapping test, we measured a max PSI of 1.45. This pressure was only felt on my side and only in the hips. The pressure maps on the stomach and back were notably lower. When it comes to pressure points, lower is better. A PSI of 2.0 is considered a high pressure point, and we are nowhere near those levels. When we consider the complete picture of material quality, build quality, comfort layer thickness, and my subjective experiences, I'm confident most sleepers will find pressure relief to be excellent. To evaluate off-gassing, we assessed the mattress following the initial unboxing, taking a subjective measure of any strong smells. We monitor the mattress over a period of days until the mattress no longer has a strong odor. Mattresses with a less strong odor or an odor that dissipates more quickly are better. There was no off-gassing on Luxerion Hybrid. The LMF factory is located here in Arizona, so our mattress arrived bagged but not compressed in a box, which probably helped with the off-gassing time. Even if the mattress is fully compressed in box, I would still not expect off-gassing to be a major issue. The company score takes a look at the factors that may influence your experience with the mattress. Factors include length of the tryout period, warranty, shipping costs, return costs, trust, and country of origin. Latex Mattress Factory offers a trial period of 100 nights and a 10-year warranty. Shipping is free, but if the mattress ends up not working out, returns will cost you $99. The company also offers a one-time layer exchange to try a different Firmness option during the course of the 100-night trial period. That will cost you $45. Needless to say, having to pay anything to return a mattress isn't ideal. Most mattresses we've tested don't charge for returns. That said, perhaps it can be forgiven due to the sub 1K price point. I would recommend the Luxerion Hybrid for sleepers who are looking for a latex hybrid at an affordable price. Most latex hybrids are priced $600 or more than Luxerion. It's also a great choice if you value natural materials. Again, this is an area that can get expensive, and this mattress uses organic cotton and Oeko Tech certified Talalay latex. The benefit of this particular latex hybrid is it has a lot more latex than many other latex hybrids on the market. Lastly, the mattress has great cooling, pressure relief, and virtually no off-gassing. So if you like the idea of a more natural mattress without breaking the bank, the Luxerion Hybrid can be a solid choice. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comment questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Luxerion, we've got a link in the description. For more from NapLab, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us at naplab.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.